What's the difference between you and I? Have you ever thought about it? That when you are faced with challenge, oh, I can't do this. When someone asks you for something and you say, oh, I will never get involved in that. Oh, I wouldn't do that. I cannot do that. I will not be part of that. However, when you are by yourself and you know you have no choice, what do you tell yourself? You can't do this. You got this. You have the energy. You have the ability to do this. So why is it that when it comes to the impossibility, we say, I can't, I cannot. But yet, when you are able to do it, you say, you can do this. You got this. You're able. You're capable. You have what it takes. You're amazing. Don't we tell that to ourselves? Exactly. That is the difference between you and I. We each need to look ourselves and realize, am I all about me? Is it all about I, or is it about you? When we realize that our whole existence, our whole living is not just about I, then you are limiting yourself. But when you see yourself not as just an I, but also as a you, then you can do it. You can make this happen. You can make the difference. And that is the difference between you and I. To realize that we are all created in this world. We are all responsible for each other. We are all need to lean on each other. God created us in this world, so we should all be together. And not only think about the I. It's not just about me. It's not just about I. Yes, even though we're living in a society which seems to sound like we got the iPad, the iPhone, the iTunes, it's all about I. But that doesn't get us to where we need to get, because that's when we're limiting ourselves. I can't do this. I'm not capable. I'm insecure. But when you go from I to you, and you realize you can do this, and you talk to yourself, say, hey, I know you. I've known you for a long time. You can do this. You can make this happen. You can make a miracle. You can be the one to make the difference. You are capable. You have limitless energy. Yes, you can. Remember, life is not about I, but it's about you. That is the difference between you and I. So the next time you're faced with a challenge, look at yourself and say, you got this. You can do this. God bless you. God loves you.